All right, today I have a Whirlpool refrigerator and I'm going to show you how to turn the Whirlpool refrigerator right here from Celsius to Fahrenheit and then also from Fahrenheit to Celsius. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with that. So this is my Whirlpool refrigerator and a freezer. It has a freezer down there at the bottom. Now to turn it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you can see right here that it is Fahrenheit. Turn it to Celsius. What you have to do is go to this button right here. You see that button right here? It is Celsius and Fahrenheit. I'm going to press it, but you see nothing happen right now, and that's because the lock is preventing it. Now the first thing you have to do is turn off the lock. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn off the lock first, and you can see right here it says hold for 3 seconds. So I'm going to press it and hold it for 3 seconds. And now I'm able to press any of the functions and go ahead and make my selection. So we're going to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius first. So now that it's unlocked, I'm just going to press this button. And did you see that? It switched right there to Celsius. And all of the temperatures that are showing right here are now in the Celsius mode. So it's showing you the temperature is Celsius as opposed to Fahrenheit. Now, when I want to turn it back to Fahrenheit, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to press this. I just pressed it until it switched to F right here. That's the symbol for Fahrenheit. And now the temperature right here is adjusted for Fahrenheit. And when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the lock back on. I'm going to press and hold it until it gets 0. Now it is locked, and now I can go about my day. And that is how you turn the Whirlpool refrigerator from Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.